String up your jump and sound if you don't have none dub. What we say? Sting to sting me a sting like a bee. Sting to sting me a sting like a bee. Knock out a sound boy like a mommy dolly. The bar ring in your ears like a MP3. Sting to sting me a sting like a bee. Sting to sting me a sting like a bee. Everybody son around so they know we not play. Knock out a sound boy, just see us clear. Sting to sting me a sting like a bee. That's what that. Sting to sting me a sting like a bee. Sting to sting me a sting like a bee. Sting to sting me a sting like a bee. Billy bang, yeah bang, that's gang skang skang. Billy bang, yeah bang, that's gang skang skang. Billy bang, yeah bang, that's gang skang skang. Billy bang 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 bang. Style and pattern we a give them. Sound for the way nah beg no friend. Style and pattern we a give them. Bring a sound boy come make we kill them. Bring that come. Sting to sting me a sting like a bee. Sting to sting me a sting like a bee. Knock out a sound boy like a mommy dolly. The bar ring in your ears like a MP3. Sting to sting me a sting like a bee. Sting to sting me a sting like a bee. Everybody son around so they know we not play. Knock out a sound boy, just see us clear. Boom 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 that the sound of the bass. Shanglin foot drop it like him come from space. Drop it up here. This is for my lady. This is for my lady. This is for my lady. I hope you love me, ain't me enough for my Mercedes. I hope you love me for me enough for my Mercedes. Times and moments that we share, I know it's clear. And now I'm finally here, my voice is on the air. I can feel it vibrate, I can feel the thrill. And right now you're telling me that I just keep it real. It's so often that you call me. I had love for you more than my homies. And any time that you needed me, yes I was there. And now you're telling me that babe, now you don't care. I said this is for my ladies. I said this is for my ladies. I hope you love me, no for my Mercedes. I hope you love it for me.
She wants Gucci, she wants Prada. Not that I give her what she's after. But she still plays man like a game. I don't know what's pulling me in, but I can't get off her. Back a girl on my line to be flowing, but I don't want it here. None of them like her.
Okay, you don't know, we picking up the stars in the building. Big up Roper Cooper, French touch. Shots there. You don't know Fire Ash's birthday week, so I'm running in there. You get me, we outstart this thing, so you don't know me name family boy, so we can't do the thing when we want. So RMS YouTube, the whole of the family, them big up. You know there's a nice thing to me, rapper crapper, we say fresh and roll out, you know. You heard everything, yeah. So you know there's all about the acts on the night, it's all about supporting the artists, them, so shots. No further ado, big up the first artist to the night.
Yeah! Alright, before we get the first artist up on the stage, we're gonna try and get the crowd on a little anticipation on something. So if you're from North London, make some noise. If you're from West London, make some noise. If you're from East London, make some noise. Okay. If you're from the goddamn South London, make
Someone wanna sound like I just come out on the bed, man. I'm so low. I'm sure when I can get a little bit more energy than that, we still come to support the artists them tonight. So let me hear some people make some noise! Alright. Round again, shots.
Oli, oli, oli!
Oi, oi, oi!
Oli, oli, oli!
Oi, oi, oi!
Woo! Okay, we're gonna get the show rolling right about now. We're gonna have a comedian up on the stage. You probably seen them on TV on that show called Big Balls of Steel. None other than Toa the Black Man. Make some noise.
Black people in the house, make some noise. White people in the house, make some noise. Jesus Christ, bro, that light is bright, man. What the fuck are you trying to do? Blind me?
Yeah, blind you, blind you, blind you.
Yeah, easy, 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 easy. Everything I do up here, folks, is a joke, okay? Agree to agree, don't approach me afterwards, it's all a joke, okay? I'm looking directly at you, sir. All a joke, okay? Can we agree to agree? Can we get some noise for that? Yeah. Alright, folks, stereotype. Chinese guys sell DVDs, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Right? Right? Can I hear you? Right? Other day, met a Chinese guy that wasn't selling DVDs. I was offended, man. I was. Hey, I was so offended that I went out, bought some, sold them to him so he could sell them back to me. How dare you walk around DVD free? Who the fuck do you think you are? Hey, you're Chinese. Your job is to sell DVDs. I didn't put that pressure on you. You put that pressure on you. You started this shit. All I'm doing is continuing it. And when you want a DVD, they're never around. You can't find them. And when you don't, they're everywhere. They're like landmines. DVD. You can't avoid these motherfuckers. And they always turn up when you least expect it. In bed with a girl. DVD. Operating table. DVD. At a funeral. Jesus Christ, take a break. Fry some rice. Practice kung fu. Do some acupuncture. Whatever the fuck you do. And they love to sell shit they can't pronounce. DVDs with superhero titles. Ghost Rider, Superman, Batman, Spider-Man. I like to ask him for shit he's guaranteed to fuck up. Hey man, you got Spider-Man? Yeah, I got a Spider-Man. No, Spider-Man. Hey, Spider-Man, that's what I said. That's not what you said. That's what I said. Don't know what you said. What you said wasn't even English. That's when they get offended and demonstrate it. It's Spider-Man. He had climb my wall. I know what he does. Give me the fucking movie. I'm a huge hip-hop fan, but let's face it, folks. Half these rappers are retards. 50 Cent, I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. Well, of course she can't. You're 50 Cent. You don't have $1. For her to get $1, you need 50 cents more. That's what $1 is. 250 cents. Make sense? You dumb son of a bitch. Furthermore, why should she get money out of you? You should be getting money out of her. You're the pimp. That's the title of the song. You should know that. You wrote the fucking thing. Rap music is retarded, folks, but nobody ever questions it. I'll give you an example. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. What do you mean, like it's? It's her birthday! You said so yourself. What, were you drunk before you got here? She's got a birthday cake, she's got candles, she's got balloons. It's her fucking birthday. And if it isn't her birthday, what am I doing here? What's he doing here? What are we doing here? Why did you invite us? Do you even know this bitch? Go shorty, go where? Where's she going? She can't leave, she has to be here. It's her birthday. Look, she's booked the hall, she's invited guests, it would be a little bit rude of her to leave. Hey, if anybody has a reason to stay, it's this bitch. Look, it kind of defeats the object of having a birthday if you're not there to celebrate the birthday. It's your birthday, it's your birthday. Why does he keep repeating himself? Has this guy got Tourette's? It's your birthday, has she got Alzheimer's? Because if she has, we're gonna have to do this shit again tomorrow. It's your birthday. How many birthdays does this bitch have? Beyonce. I love Beyonce. But Beyonce always gives women bad advice. She always tells you to do shit that she wouldn't do herself. Ladies, put your hand in that man's face and say, where my ring at? Ladies, do not do that shit. Do not put your hand in any man's face. You will get knocked the fuck out. And Beyonce's not going to be able to help you. She's not. She can't help you. How can she help you? What's she going to do? Put her hand in my face too? And if she does, she's getting knocked the fuck out. Now you've got 2 dead bitches instead of 1. Beyonce, beautiful girl. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But why does she wear so much fake hair? Then have the nerve to sing songs like, I'm a survivor! Yeah, you might be, but what about the horse you got your hair from? Did he survive? Is he gonna make it? Is he gonna be okay? I'm really concerned. I wanna know what happened to the horse, don't you? Seriously, what the hell happened to him? Answer me, bitch, answer me. To the left, what difference does that make? He's still bald. Irreplaceable. You're right, it is. He's never gonna get his hair back. Beyonce, I think I better work it out. Work it out, I'm trying to. What the fuck are you doing with that big-lipped bastard? Beyonce plus Jay-Z equals crazy, because that shit does not make any sense. Beyonce plus Jay-Z equals cataract. I'm confused too. Work it out. There's nothing to work out. He's fucked, you're not, end of, move on. Oh, come on, folks. You've seen Jay-Z. You've seen Jay-Z. His lips are so big, if he licked them once, he'd die from dehydration. His lips are so big, if he breathed in and held his breath, everyone in here is dead. That guy could single-handedly end humanity. Madam, do you remember the Crazy in Love video where the car caught fire and Jay-Z stood back and looked at that shit? That was unnecessary. That could have been prevented. Do you know how? I'll tell you how. With his lips, that's how. Why are you still standing there? Blow that shit out. Use your lips. Jesus Christ, they're big enough. Oh, you think I'm harsh? You think I'm harsh? I'm not harsh. Sir, do you know what's harsh? Giving birth to a baby like that and letting him live. Do you know what's even harsher? The midwife that had to deliver that son of a bitch. They say that men can't multitask. Is that true? Sorry, what did you say, bro? I didn't hear you. Is that true? That's a lie, bro. Can I get that louder? Can I get an amen for that? That's a lie, right? So did you say you agree? You agree? They say that men can't multitask. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Sir, never had diarrhea? Never had diarrhea? Have you ever shit your pants? You ever shit your pants? Bro, you've never shit your pants. You've never shit your pants. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. Prove it. Prove it. Take off your pants. Show me your pants. Let me see them. I want to see them. I want to sniff them. I want to smell them. Take them off. Take them off. Don't make me rape you. Madam, quickly. Make eye contact with me, real quick. Your favourite position. Quickly, go. No. Madam, do you know what the best position is? Do you know what the best position is, ladies? Doggy. Did somebody say doggy? Did I hear you correctly? Did you say doggy? This is what I like to see. The two whores at the bar that agree. Doggy, let's high five. You fuck all the time, and so do I. Listen, folks, you guys have been an absolutely great crowd. Thank you, good night.
Oh man, make some more noise for the black man. Toa. Right about now, I'm gonna do a freestyle by none other than Ice Cream, aka Miami. Let's go. Oh man. Oh man. Here you go.
Yo, what up? Nice to meet all of you people. You don't know. Sorry, I was just gonna grace the stage a little bit. I'm feeling a bit tired today, y'all. But you know how it is. Yesterday we did another open to RNS. Shout goes up to my homeboy. KAIZY put me on stage and he told me that to do great things. Alright, we're gonna do a quick freestyle. Cause I gotta head out and make it rain and collect some money on the roads. You know how it goes, the life of ice cream, man. Remember the days when I was growing up in South Beach? Then I hit up South London. Bless this place to write names, you know. Shout goes out to my people on Choice FM, Kiss FM. We're gonna be all over. Creed, Pied Piper, Usher D. You know how we did. Alright, let's do this. Real quick. I told this story to my son. He was great, he was always #1. He was the life of my heart. Born in King's College Hospital, he said, Daddy, you're gonna be original. He said you're gonna change the way that people will vision the name. Swing ice cream and say the name of fame. Everybody looked at me and said that I was great. Music was the way they appreciate. I spit bars over in Miami, touched New York and I got Grammys. I brought it back over here to the atmosphere. I remember when I took on garage music, I ended careers. Sitting back relaxing those lanes. Never playing jokes or no funny ass games. Daddy wasn't out for the music, nor was the fame. I was here for the money to provide for my son. Make sure in my heart you was #1. Educate kids in school to teach them how to play musical instruments. I got a degree and 2 masters. I'm a hip-hop disaster. Never told ya. I'm the greatest on the microphone technician. I am any foot soldier. Long time to make it. Reggae music is the way my dad a Rasta would break it. He told me to free them to all those people. Bring Bob Marley back to the vision of the violent sequel. We end it with the people. The blessing of love, Selassie's son. Bring back the green days of #1. My mama Brazilian, she told me well. She said, Miguel, you're gonna make it in this music biz. Miami, this is how it is. Brought back the days when I was remembering never easy. Sit back on Rye Lane looking so sleazy. At the job center, hope I could make a footnote. Got off my shelf and taught myself from being broke. Headed up at Goldsmith University. I opened up a music studio for the first dance. Told the ladies that I'm gonna bring back the ghetto romance. It's about time we had the year of the gentleman again. Cause I'm seeing too much baby mothers crying and telling their friends. I told my son, make sure when you find the right girl, she doesn't come from that material world. I'm looking at the imperial. The loyalty is out of this game, is no joke, serial. I was out here telling the Grammys that represent the streets, touch back in Miami. Remember the days when I chilled with my cousin Gunplay. MMG family, living old, I can pay those waves. Trevor T took it back to Jetstar, Wembley Arena all day. Brought over Don Campbell singing, "Oh cow, I was such a fool. Darling, I love you." My uncle said, "Don, don't sing, yo." I said to him, "I gotta win, yo." But when I took the microphone, that story started from beginning, yo. Like Naturally Diamond said, I went to Africa, studied all about the Rastaman ways, living in the Rita Mali days up in the hills. Went to Ethiopia, to Shishimali's, learned about the Nyangabingi Rastas, got real education, brought a mind frame and a right destination. I left this letter for my son. In my heart, he was #1. Show goes out to all my people. Secret Crew, Miami Music, Cream Label, the t-shirt, the magazine, it's all good. Music non-stop, 24/7. Drop.
Nice man. I make sure everyone's still here.
So good.
Oli. Hey, you all weak, come on, yo. Oli. That's better. Alright, next, got the artist of the name of Kazi Stewart. I might have got the name mixed up, but yeah. Casey Stewart, my bad. Make some noise, y'all. Big up the RMS showcase each and every time. Rapper, Prince Touch, and Firash. Make some noise.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Do you want to hear another?
Yeah.
Are you sure? DJ, another. This one's called Love Like You. I hope you like it. You ready? I've been looking for a love like yours, and I'm so glad that I have it. It's such a precious love, and I'll be loving you forever. I'll never leave, no, never. Yesterday has come and gone, and I can't wait until tonight to hold you in my arms, 'cause I'll be loving you forever, baby. I'll never leave, no, never. Sometimes life comes and goes, but I know yours is one that I won't let go of. You know when you got something real, and I know I have the realest deal. I'm never gonna leave this love, 'cause when I'm with you, boy, you fill me up. And I have the trophy, I got the gold cup. Your love, I hope to pray for this day. The day you come my way. And I'll surely, truly be blessed. And I'll be loving you forever. And I'll never leave, no way. I'll never leave, no way. Never leave your love, never leave your love. I'll never leave your love, never leave your. I'll never leave your love, never leave your love. 'Cause I'll be loving, loving you, baby. Thank you.
Let's have a little shout out for Miss Stewart. Alright, up next, we're gonna hype. He's gonna hype up the crowd and whatnot. Mr. Vito. Vivo.
You'll never fucking know that. These fucking eyes that I'm staring at. Let me see that ass. Look at all. Okay, that's fine, man. That's fine. Yeah. That's cool. Track 2, please. Yo. Stop. Another mic. Yo. Can I get everyone to clap their hands, please? Just like this. Yo. See, I remember back in the day when I smoked that shit like I could never smoke that shit. Now when I smoke, choke on it, smoke stuck in my throat and shit. Put the weed in the bottle, pass it around. Spark it up now when it's done, put it out. And I'm so high so there's no looking down. And yeah, the whole world won't come to my town just for that. They come forward. Yeah. From all over the world for. Well, maybe not the weather, cause that shit frozen. No, it ain't hot, but you know we smoking high off high. Shit is like I'm floating. Got a cold flow in the track, I'm snowing. Let it go. Phone up in the cold. Think I need some weed in the safe that. Get my niggas to roll and I blaze that. I'm a client when I'm high, full laid back. say that? It's all love, like how could you hate that? You don't smoke, but how could you say that? Grab the strawberry kush, taste that, lay back, blaze that, yeah, that's right where the sky is. See like me, cause my flow is the nicest. I like her cause the hole is the tightest. Put it in never ways go high pitch. In this spot don't need to highlight it. Not rich, but live the high life shit. And I swear I love this high life with. They come for. Cause that's when you be the weather, don't it sound never come. When I say LA, I mean London. And the A, it means nothing. What did you say? Are you buzzing? Do we lie? It's not mumbling. My head pads. If it's thumping and it's sound. If it's bumping, I see clouds. Like it's thundering. And this storm is starting up something. Like it's coming for me when I'm running this weed and coming like semen. Running this region, running this weed like it's all I need. And all I see is a bunch of clouds when I don't know whether I change the season. So cold when I up and leave them. Hot boy, I got central heating. So fuck all of these haters speaking. Yeah, I'm from London town. If a nigga talk shit, then they gun them down. And yeah, we got flows in abundance. So the girls love to ride like Gundam style. And bitch, I'm on fire. So all opposition, gun them down. Make them pull the burn like a Bunsen. But we don't wanna talk about these other niggas. Let's talk to the ladies. Yo, how you feeling tonight? I got that vibe. I be chilling and feeling alright. Fuck your man, he's killing the vibe. I just wanna love you for a couple hours. Then after that, we just smoke a sour. Get the diesel power. Sex drive, I can drive for hours. So you better catch me in that diner. Looking like a boss. The party in New York. But nothing like my hometown. I'm forever gifted. They come for. When you weed and weather. When you weed and weather. Got that when you weed and weather. Don't it sound? Never come and play. Welcome, what can I say? Welcome to my day. Thank you. So the stage is really small, so I feel a little bit uncomfortable. That's why I didn't put on a full show in it. I've had a request.
The stage is large, you know.
No way. Sweet boy. Yeah. First off, girl, love your hairstyle. Man smiles when I see you. I don't even care if half the hair ain't yours, girl. I still think that should be cute. Face sparkles like you showered in glitter. Shower with hours to kiss her. Closing my eyes when I rip her. Holding her tight, then I whisper. Are you ready for this? But hold up, I don't even know your name. Yeah, girl, I know that my game is strange, but it's working. And if you're on the wave that I'm surfing, you can ride with me, that's for certain. And I don't want to seem like a virgin. Just open your mind and I'll slip my words in. She said, hold up, let me get a word in. So I close like a virgin, and she said, I don't wanna rush, but I'm loving what you say so much. She just wanna talk for a while, get to know my style. Ooh, I hope there ain't too much, cause she don't wanna rush, just yeah. But girl, I wanna touch, just a little, ain't gotta fall in love, just yeah. Maybe we could just a little. Yo, I got the point like I picked up a needle. Yeah, games, I'm a sharp guy, so don't ask why. My game's on point, don't let you get caught when I pass by. So the boyfriend bitch, hard times, but maybe I can upgrade ya. Just ask Beyonce, see what she say. Please don't behave, I like your 3K. Demon, I can make your whole life cheese like seasons. Watch, soon we'll be freezing. Next will be hot then, cold to the haters. Play with my dough and see what it makes us. I can take you out like elevators, or I can hold you down. Let me go round like merry-go. You knock me down like Bulls in Jericho. Now I'm in the medical, and I'm needing some sexual healing. Okay, just healing for now, but I'm feeling for you. When you're feeling around my chest, this suggests that you're interested. And I've been rejected before, and your man intersected the pool. Cut block, but let's not stop, wasn't him. It's not him that your love is in. And then she said, I don't wanna rush, but she loving what I say so much. She just wanna talk for a while, get to know my style. Ooh, I hope that ain't too much, cause she don't wanna rush, just yeah. But girl, I wanna touch, Just a little, ain't gotta fall in love. Just yet, but maybe we could. Just a little, just a little. One more, say Revo, loud. Lively. Let's see what I got. I don't know what I got. Oh, yo, track 1. Okay, come on the stage. Run the line, sharp.
Can I get a microphone?
Yeah, microphone. Spit fire. Let's go.
Holy shit. Sick. Is it working?
Oh yeah, lower the mic on him as well now. So that's the wave one, isn't it?
Yo.
Cool? Yeah. By the way, that's LK. We have a video that just came out yesterday. We just had a video that came out yesterday. Go check it out. Please, man, you can buy it and share around, help us out quick. You going first? Alright. Yo, what's up? Come in and show me love. When I grab the mic, I think with a right hand like your family's tough. Flow like dynamite. So I come with a big bang theory. Let me speak clearly. Hope you can hear me. Flow kind of really. Hope you can hear me. Yo, what's up? Come in and show me love. When I grab the mic and I think with a right hand like your family's tough. Flow like dynamite. So I come with a big bang theory. Let me speak clearly. Hope you can hear me. Flow kind of really. Hope you can hear me. Hi, my name is what? It doesn't matter. Cooking up a recipe, past the sesame and the flour. As I devour any rapper standing in front of me, including you and your company. Okay, lyrical foreplay when I saute rappers. Life's a board game, you call it snakes and ladders. I'm calling it make my pockets fatter. Really matters when I'm breaking through. How can you hate me do? Look what you made me do. Give me, I got that pencil, let me go write the script. Get instrumental with a man like this. Ain't that some shit? This nigga with the afro bitch came in with a afro. Can you keep up? Just slow it down. Close so sick you can go around. If you don't know me then you know me now. Okay, I'm about to go crazy with your witness. I kick the ballistic, critical fitness. Yeah, like you're rapping and trying to die out of your bullshit. Making it hard in your mouth and really enough. My first line is so sick they come in the bullets supposed to be shot. I'm like, yo, what's up? Come in and show me love. When I grab the mic and I speak with it right there like your family's tough. Flow like dynamite. So come with a big bang theory. Let me think clearly. Hope you can hear me. Flow kind of quickly. Hope you can bear me, man. These niggas compare me, belly, they fear me clearly. Hear me, I'm a machete, lyrical weapon, we weaponize. But I recognize, before you get justified, I will rectify. Eating rappers satisfies my appetite. Damn it, these rapper guys won't rap or die, cause I will rap or die, just like a deli. You let me get the mic, for the biggest like I'm just sniffing every line. Get you addicted to this dictator so I can get paper. I'm like Saddam with the flow, who's saying they better? You beating me is like Russia having Australian weather. You get the point, plan on scrapping with it. Make sure it sticks in your head, that way you'll never forget. I only just say I'm the best, mine, cause no one is listening. I just put in the work, show these niggas some discipline. Start building a buzz, but damn it still ain't enough. For everybody comes in and shows me love. What's up? Come in and show me love. When I grab the mic and I speak with it right there like your family's tough. Flow like dynamite. Don't come with a big bang theory, let me speak clearly. Hope you can hear me, flow kind of grizzly. Hope you can bear me. Yo, what's up? Come in and show me love. When I grab the mic and I speak with it right there like your family's tough. Flow like dynamite. So come with a big bang theory, let me speak clearly. Hope you can hear me, flow kind of grizzly. Hope you can bear me. Yo. Fire boss, fire. That's it,
So, that was like fire, yeah?
That was hot.
That was what? What you saying?
That was hot.
You're sure? I'm not hearing everybody. Was that hot? Yeah? So, hold on, Revo. Where can they find you? Because I think some of them are going to be looking for you.
God bless you all, Star. You can find me at Revo the Artist on Twitter. You can find me on YouTube at Revo the Artist. You can find me on Facebook. Reva the Artist as well. Everywhere Reva the Artist, just type me in and I should come up in.
Basically, just Google it, innit? Just Google it.
Just Google it. Just Google it.
Just Google me. So where can they find you?
What is it? LK the Ventriloquist. LK the Ventriloquist at King's Globe, on Twitter, and follow back on whatever. I'm the kind of person to come to me and ask me about that.
Thank you for listening. Oh yeah.
Alright, so Birdie, are you ready? Yeah? Can you make some noise for Birdie?
Check, check. Looks like a dream, so it's hard for me to believe it. Looking at anything right above it. Just do your best, you know you love it. Stay focused, don't worry about them others. Got it in the bag like academics. Wanna make it rain, no psychedelic, no rainbow. Don't think of it, I might even say so. Be constructive, don't even play dumb. Get it like a collective. Best friends and best investment, liabilities slow you down, they won't get it. Nah, just wanna replay a life. Replay the good times and repair the bad times and make it all right. The middle name is Genesis. God showed me the light, and I'll always remember this. The music showed me the flow, which direction to go, to a place I didn't know, like. But these trends won't define me. Do it for myself, I'll never let them hide me. Feel higher than before, let things run smooth, very bright, never law. I'm glorious. Some just say that I'm ignoring this. Haters are ignoring this. I'll close the door and this. See these fake friends that says hi and bye. Moving on my own, don't need them right. Cool, but I'm a hell of a guy. Feeling like a million, like I just entered the vibe. Easy, yeah. 22, that's the next track. Suspect that, not a thing but a chicken wing. Listen, yo. You ready?
Yes!
Alright. Yo. Listen. Something laid back in it. Listen. Yo. It's another story to see. Express this easily. Something like Easy-E. R&B got me on ease. Spent another minute puffing on the trees. Got this in the limelight. Another question. Put this in the lifeline. Have fun. Watch your time fly by. When times get hard, it's hard to go by. Just say it. Taking ages. Need is patience. Having trouble waiting. Spend my days praying. Taking ages. Yo. Listen. Yeah, let me start that again.
No, just so we don't forget that.
Yeah. Benny Brat, yeah. Joe. Understand that? Joe. Listen. It's another story to see. Express this easily. Something like Easy-E. R&B got me on ease. Spent another minute puffing on trees. Got this on the limelight. Another question. Put this on the lifeline. Have fun. Watch the time fly by. When times get hard, it's hard to go by. Just saying. Taking ages. Need is patience. Having trouble waiting. Spend my days praying. Take away ages put against me. That's Satan. I'm not hating, just saying. Take away the ages. Joe. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Benny Bradley.
That's it? Alright. Sorry. Can I borrow your mic? The mic is trying to flop me. Can you make some noise for Birdie, please? I need to wake you up, guys. You know what? Go get a drink. Come Come on, where's the paper for the drinks? Come, Fire Ash, come talk with me. Woo!
Alright, so you don't know it's all about the artist showcase, aka RMS, the Rich Music Society. French Touch is here. My name is Fire Ash, to all of those that don't know. So anyone wants to get themselves a beverage at the bar right now, support the team. Trust me, spend some money from your pocket, it'll be worth it. And give me a little piece of paper for read on. So all those that are listening real quick, 2 Budweiser for £5, 2 Heineken for £5. And for those that want something a little bit sweet or a little bit bitter, you can get 3 Desperado for £10 and 3 Guinness for £10. My birthday on Saturday, I want to get way from tonight. Somebody have to buy me a drink, you know. I'm not even a comedian, I'm not even trying to take the mix. Somebody have to buy me a drink tonight, you know. Fresh P in the million, big up. Yeah, big up the artist in the million. Montana, where you say, I shell up tonight. Yeah. So right now, bringing up on the stage, where's the French Touch? Who's next? Okay. So alright, everybody in the million, make some noise. I'm gonna bring an artist in the million. Ain't the first time it's performed here, but trust me, we're gonna make sure that they get a nice warm welcome. Papa Wise, welcome to the stage. Make some nice Papa Wise.
Yo! What I know, you want to say, my name is WHAYASEH. A real Jamaican name, an African, me born in Jamaica. WHAYASEH, WHAYASEH, see? Papa WHAYASEH. So right now, I give thanks for the opportunity. So you know we have a new album out that come out. If you look on the YouTube and you see a tune called Zimbabwe, a Papa WHAYASEH. Galaxy are running it hard. So we give thanks. So now, let me follow me on that one now. Yo! And that's what we said. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Yeah. Nine. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Trap so. Come in and this place and go to Mumbai and this and and at the mill, I will have it and go to Mumbai here another mix. You can come in at the place and go to boom. You should have play. And at the mill, I will have it and go to boom. Another tune have play. You could see the selector ain't joking. Above the whole place smoking. Engineering ramping. Combination bar. No follow me say na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Yeah. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Yeah. Yo, I come to sweet up the party. You come to fire upon the Illuminati. This is that a long time the boy them ratty. But right now the man them getting so crafty. Watch this. We know in nothing where them in nothing where them want we believe in nothing where them want we back in nothing where them write down on no paper. We know we not know what the budget. We don't know nothing about charging party. We don't know nothing about hanky. We just a heal up the royal family. Come follow me, say nine. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Yeah. Nine. Na 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 na. Na na na. Alright. Well, after all is said and done, album mix, no time for your fun. What you gonna do now? Go for a swim, go for a run. Now we know one, it's your body come up. We come to have a nice time, come to have fun. We come to entertain and move up and down. We looking for a place to launch this album. Come follow me, say. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Yeah. Yo. Come in at the place and go to the place and Papa mix. me kill and hold and bend and go so put me here another man. Yo, me say me come in at the place and go so put me tuna play. And then me kill and hold and bend and go so put me another tuna play. So who's speed is elected is broken. I put the whole place smoking. Engineer is rampant. Combination man. You follow me say, you don't know. So we read. Sweet. Yeah man. That is one of the track off of the album. I don't know that. I just want two me having up because with the set of different to go down the place. But the one I done the place, look on YouTube. Just type in Papa Wasi and see what I go. And it name Zip. Run it! African and Jamaican, no feel over here. Everything good in the good. Yeah. You know, we said, you want to help me on that one, you know, man. When we go so Zim, you feel say Zimbabwe. And Zimbabwe this Africa. Run it again. Yo. And this Naga, Jamaican and Zimbabwe, no feel away. Everything good in the remember. So when you hear me go to Zim, they want to hear about Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. When you hear me go to Zim, they want to hear about Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe are the highway, foreign exchange. Pull up that one there. You don't know. Manners, me a fear manners. Back. Give thanks and praise to the ancestor there. Big up Jackson and Durban. And them bring me come here. See? Sit down. You know how long we die hang on. Jamaican and Zimbabwe, don't feel no way. Everything good in the road there. Remember. Boy. So when we hear me go to Zim, they want to hear about it. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. When we hear me go to Zim, they want to hear about it. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe are the highway. Foreign invaders must go away. Zimbabwe, don't feel no way. President Mugabe know what he must say. Fire upon the crack of them. Running at them, we run the road. And then we got them. Move down the back of them. Because we sick of them. And we sick of them. We have enough of them. And we don't need them. And we don't want them. And me say not again. You hear me go to Zim, you want to hear about it. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. Come here, me go to Zim, you want to hear about it. Zimbabwe. Right. Not this weekend, not next weekend. From the other weekend, me from the weekend. From that then any other weekend. We have to link up, we have to hold a reason. Some of us talk about things they believe in. I want to talk about why them. I mean, not here in Babylon, kiss me. We don't give them a look. Yo, here me go to Zim, me want to hear about it. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. Come here, me go to Zim, me want. Zimbabwe. Rise up, you can rise up. Rise up, you can rise up. Hey, Babylon the time, man. Babylon the time. Rise Ghanaian, rise up. Rise Ethiopian, rise up. Rise Zimbabwe and rise up. Hey, Babylon the time, man. Babylon the time. So when you hear me go to Zim, no one will hear about it. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. When you hear me go to Zim, no one will hear about it. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe are the highway, foreign invaders. Zimbabwe, don't feel no way. President Mugabe know what he must say. Fire upon the crack of them. Run the lot of them. We run the whole back of them. Then we scatter them. Rules and we back of them. Because we sick of them. And we fed up of them. We have enough of them. And we don't need them. And we don't want them. And we say not again. Here because of them. No one. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. Come here because of them. No one to give back. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. Not this weekend, not next weekend. From the other weekend, before the weekend. From that then any other weekend. We have to link up, we have to hold a reason. Some people talk about things them believe in. I want to talk about why them believe Babylon will slip. You don't hear them a look. Yo, hear me go for them. No one will hear that. Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe. Come hear me go for them. No one will hear that. Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe. Come hear me go for them. No one will hear that. Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe. So come hear me go for them. No one will hear that. Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe. So come hear me go for them. No one. Yo, Zimbabwe. No respect. Zimbabwe.
Yes, massive. Bless up. You have to change the style and change the mode. Let's hear it for WHAYASEH one more time. See? Every Thursday night here, so we have the reggae session. The first Thursday, which is this Thursday, is the talent night. But do remember there's 3 more Thursdays in the month, and that's when the Rough Rider International, which is myself, and the Fusion Live reggae band is here. Now all of you who go up on stage every Thursday on the 1st of the month, you know, so we always come support you. Yeah? And we'd like you guys to come back on the next Thursday when we are here with the live band, yeah, and the live DJs to have some support, you understand? And don't remember, I see everybody standing up around the bar. You have 2 Heineken, 2 Budweiser, £5. Nobody now support the bar, you understand? See? And you're all over 18. See? So maybe support the bar because the man giving the place free. Don't know, yeah? Okay? So I have to respect that. So remember, each and every Thursday night is right here. So it would be nice if you guys would come back next week Thursday and support the live Roots Lovers Reggae Band. See? Enough respect to the video man. Alright, who does PRENTO yo? See? Come on, let's have it. Yes, come in.
You know, Mr. Damage, you come talk about no artists, man, a DJ from the 90s, from Cox to Dukeman Promotion, me Top Cat, Daddy Freddy them. Man, a young veteran. So here what now? Yo, Harney, cool on the bread drinker, you don't know you're the pastor. Big up all of them. Seeing all Brixton massive, all Pepper massive, Woolly Road massive, you don't know the thing of Bingo. Jamaica, England, you don't know the thing of Africa, we love the whole of them, all the ladies them. Run with the road boy, because you know so we're a ball warrior. But you feel like you're bright. But it's right. Ready? I'm gonna come right when I see that side with it. Warning, get live and stop the warning. Original shot and two Japan to you this speaking. Yo, come be a warrior. Them can't stop me a warrior. Don't be a warrior. Them can't stop me a warrior. Independent warrior. Them can't stop me a warrior. Can't carry that me a warrior. Them can't stop me a warrior. Master. Some of them is, some of them that, some of them talk, some of them talk, some of them one like said them wicked, some of them one like said them not. Who they got up? Idiot. Tell them the way, tell them to start. And said that. And they tell them we got to rock, we up. And them know we got this stuff. Oh, we come on that and us and that. They say that they know. We just a dangerous, serious. They can get to us and them no bad like bullets. I'm gonna slash you like bullets. What you feel like? Well, let's do the warrior side of me. Now this one dedicated to all the ladies. Well, of all the ladies, them, let me take it tonight. So we're gonna keep it nice and low. Yo, my type, girl, me say you're ready to your face. You shake your pretty like yearly, baby, you are my type. Girl, me say you're nice, and now you are high and high. Anyway, what's my type? Girl, me say you're ready. You shake your pretty like yearly, baby, you are my type. Girl, me say you're nice, and now you are my them. From me say yo, me love you, but want a long time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Roses, strawberries, champagne wine. You see this thing when we are bombarded. I'm not saying me, I keep the way your body feel fine. Move it, pull it. Come on, let's last time, pull it. Yeah. I give you one more piece. I want a nice hello. It's all the people who come here tonight and I spend your money. Respect you. I see this government, I take the whole of the feed and don't punk. So we are telling them, hey yo, Selassie I know. Japan to youth, original short and cute, is a rough rider. Working hard for weeks and months, but my years step at the junk and give me the crumbs. This government that take the people the punk. And when you ask them, I tell you, say I credit country does working hard for weeks and months. But now you just step at the junk and give me the crumbs. This government that take the people the punk. And when you ask, Pastor, you know with it, how you feel? Every day you get up and you're working hard. They pick up on the end of the you have to pop. They put up the gas, they let you cut the water. But that was a bit of the service. That I never put it. So let's say one more time. One more time. Yeah. Don't do some eternity. Love the life you love. I live the life you live in. You see it? All the people love their mother. Listen to your mother. All the people love their mother. Yeah, you mean? Oh mama, I will love you and I will cherish you forever. Oh mama, I will love you and I will cherish you forever. Oh mama, Mama carry me for 9 months in her belly. Never take a portion and try to get rid of me. I good food she eat, keep me healthy. When the 9 months come, I should give birth to me. I don't feel she got you one of agony. That's why me I love my mother dearly. I just sit now eternity because she means the whole world to me. Can't you see? Oh mama, I will love you one. Come here, you boy. It's last time I love you.
Yes. Each and every Thursday night, right here, first Thursday of the month, Calendar night. See it? Check it. Come here, you go from town.
Woo! What can I say? Alright, up next, we're gonna wrap up of the name of Joe Bratz. Yeah!
Probably more known as Joe Brat, aka Brat-Man, aka the best export of Commodore's Swedish absolute vodka. But now I'm not gonna stand here and chat shit, so DJ, run the rhythm! Number 2. You know who it is? If not, I'm about to introduce who will mash up the show. Who the flashiest clothes? Tracks the classiest jokes. So you know who it is? JB, motherfucker. It's JB, motherfucker. It's JB, motherfucker. Yup, it's JB, motherfucker. You know it's the sick baby, the brat from Sweden who makes the whip crazy. My English is broken like volcanic hills. Hated by most, but outspoken, the camera still. So keen I look degenerated like camera stills when he popped the blue pills. Part man, part kid, part alien. Guess my retard flows made me famous. Now you ask for the throwback. That's my big China and the Yaoi and the smoke. Got negative and not sorry I don't promote that. I simply illustrate my life, accept it as I wrote that. Go mash up the show. Rocks the flashiest clothes. Cracks the classiest jokes, huh? It's JB, motherfucker. It's JB, motherfucker. Who is it? It's JB, motherfucker. Yup, it's JB, motherfucker. Everybody's all over the time was right. Forgot to see 2 worlds, then we reverse and turn it up. The slide over CJ's beats like a cocky midget. Then switch on like break and gas pigeon. Y'all can rap about getting shot twice, but I brag about reading Harry Potter twice. Facey haters, eats the new cool. I read it in Metro, G, go find some new fools. Beef racism and hard talks, old fashioned. Time is cool, I have an accent. I love beef, you're nearly 30. I leave that to youngest to rep the ends dirty. Go mash up the show. The flashiest clothes. Tracks the classiest jokes, huh? It's JB, motherfucker. It's JB, motherfucker. It's JB, motherfucker. It's JB, motherfucker. Rap stereotype that I'm matched on my ladies, man. So I'll tell you where my ladies at. How about this chick named Lola? Last week I took her at Phoenix for a spill down my cola. Plus a brand new dress, so I had to take her shopping as a compliment. Look back where I'm from, that wouldn't be okay. But hey, this is the UK, and it's total anarchy. Ooh, mash up
wasn't the last mixtape, this is the up and coming one. Track number 1. Alright, some people play football, some people play basketball, some people collect stamps, others collect comics. But what's my hobby then? My hobby is that I don't have a hobby. My hobby is that I don't have a hobby. My hobby is that I don't have a hobby. I don't have a hobby. We dig so deep and greedy for the meaning of life. You're chopping up the bread and have to eat every slice. Otherwise, we ain't fulfilling the prophecies. I have a life sword that can be weak about prodigies. Work 5 days a week, in fact the rest of us get it. We got shit being needed just to make it look better. No point of work, we gotta use the receptor. Stimulate our brains cause they can never go restless. The media and the pressure from people is our inception. And we so prone to reception. We end up having early deaths. We live in too stressful. But I assume that's the only way we can develop. And personally, I consider that pretty stupid. But not just kick back, relax, and remain clueless. And stop thinking death's around the corner. Be thankfully breathe. Enjoy the moment. These collect art, others collect comics, others sell peace, we all these signatures on. But if y'all ask me, Joe, what's your hobby? The answer would be that my hobby is, my hobby is, my hobby is, my hobby is that some people collect stamps, others collect comics, others sell peace, we all these signatures on. Some man play socks, other man's hockey, and other man's people. That's treating me oddly for the simple fact Brad didn't seem to have a hobby. Except dreaming about watching birds topless. Dead or alive, he must have thought I was blind. Generations and friends like a means left behind. Well, that's later it was the music. I didn't pay my bills, I had nothing to prove they were like. But what is a brother when you're beating? And he gon' start scheming with time where they give up. I'm a rap. I never really been a fighter. I know you word play when I'm an all-nighter. When you're out in the street, even murderers. Murder mom is a hard. Some kids collect art, others collect comics, others sell peace. We all the signatures on them, but they y'all ask me, Joe, what's your hobby? The answer would be that I don't have a hobby. My hobby is, my hobby is, my hobby is, my hobby is that I don't have a hobby. You only live once, you only young once. I know you're busy setting up your own companies, playing football and all that, yeah? And it's good to have a hobby, but don't kill yourselves with stress. Now you can find me on Twitter at Joe Brat Official, Facebook.com Joe Brat fan page. Make sure you like that one. And YouTube.com/officialbrat. You can find all my videos. And SoundCloud.com/Brat. Shoutouts to RMS and DJ Sharks for making this showcase possible. And last but definitely not least, shoutouts to the lovely crowd. You're looking lovely, even though it's just that.
Yeah! Make some noise for Joe! And next, we got the one and only AK
Yo, hold it there. Yo, you see me? Yo, bumbo ass hole. You wanna know what happened to me on the way to this blood clot? I get fucking, I get run over, you know. I get blood clot, I look alright, but I get run over by a bicycle over there, so I get up and kick the man in the face and thing. But I say, you know what? We're gonna be righteous. So right now, how long I so hot, but right now, it does not matter. Boom! I go by the name of AK Rex. Mr. Make the girls them shake up their bum, 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 bum. Mr. I want a lady in the street, but a freak in the bed. Mr. Boom, bang, bang, boom, 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 bang, bang. Yes, the one and only Mr. Sexplicit. Mr. Party in the snow, party in the snow. Yeah, man, so right now we're gonna go into track 3. I'm gonna sing about one mad girl named Sexy Anna K. Run that for me. I'm like, oh, Sexy Anna K. I don't like the way you got it on my upper bed. That's why I'm raising this. You about the other day. I know you wanna get me home with you, but there's another way. You keep running down beef. No bolognese, give a couple days, your head still hot like a cup of tea. Need to get it out your head, that it's a property. Saw the mic out my dark place. Hey, I've got my 1, 2 groupies hugging me. And they're there getting vexed when they're touching me. You're fucking up my fan base, I'm billing currently. I don't want your company if girls are sure to come to me. We got my female supporters, my apologies. It doesn't entertain me, but it's company. She says I'm on her mind daily. Like a melody that I'll become an enemy if I'm speaking to Melanie. So that can make you happy, I'm the recipe. Have you looking for me like my enemies? And I've been hearing you, even though you're making no sense, like the letter 3. I overheard you want to give birth to Melanie. Heard you really see me and you go into Italy. Chilling by the beach, running trees, sipping Hennessy. Spill it out for me. So right now, that one of them sexy on the case. Me have a tune named Summer Sun. Me say the sunlight is an honor. It bless me with my color. So if you're bleaching like I tell you better run for cover. I love my hot light, ease yellow like lasagna. What goes around comes around. She winds it like it's karma. Yeah. So that's the summer tune. But right now, it's because winter is on the way. We gotta get prepared for winter. But you see when it get cold, don't worry, we not gonna lock up in our house. Cause you know, say if you're gonna spliff, sip on a little white rum, you don't even feel no cold. So right now I'm gonna do a tune called Snow Party, cause we party in the snow party anyway, yeah? And there's a bit of way to join in. We're gonna party in the snow, party in the snow. Hey! And y'all gonna say, party in the snow, party in the snow. Hey! Hey! Hold on there. You have to say it like, hey! You see, if your breath smells, just don't say it. Because big man thing travel through the air. And I'll be performing and next thing you know, hey! Man collapse and things. So if your breath is clean, go, hey! We're gonna party in the snow, party in the snow. Hey! Oh no, alright, legit. So track number 2 there. Yeah, track 2. Turn up the one for me. Let me stretch. Can you see? In a song, we have to deal with it real and proper. Hey, snow party, snow party, snow party, snow party. It's a snow party, snow party, snow. Look, if your breath doesn't smell, you know what you have to do, yeah? We're gonna party in the snow, party in the snow. 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 It's getting cold with the times and it ain't finished just yet. Said that last year and this year is the same shit. But we ain't running from the cold. We link up a couple girls and run out into the snow. Cup in my hand and he's stashed in the snow. Leave it for a minute, that drink is ice cold. A whole rap hooker, who's got the nice crow. Suicidal wave, yo, we're blazing in the snow. Blazing in the snow, blazing in the snow. Inhaling through my mouth and exhaling through my nose. Get my own in the winter, she can feel it through the cold. Smoke coming out her mouth and she doesn't even smoke. Hey, my ex gone, it feels like I'm floating. Can't keep my eyes open at the moment, everybody getting high. It ain't no joking, cause even the snowman smoking. Snow party, snow party, snow party. It's a snow party, snow. Hey, I wanna see you wake up right now and say, hey, we're gonna party in the snow, party in the snow. Hey, party in the snow, party in the snow. Hey, party in the snow, party in the snow. Hey, party in the snow, party in the snow. Hey, my head's spinning and I'm getting my lungs swapped. Frostbite's got me rubbing my hands up. I told Kino, bring your young lots. You can't party in the snow with our young bucks. Yo, no, don't stop it. They're messing up. Is there any of that snow? Hey, we party in the snow and we smoke weed, throw snow booze, start snow beef. Say there's no war, like a snow war. Boom in your head back. Man, I'm so mean, my head's gone. It feels like I'm floating. Can't keep my eyes open at the moment. Everybody getting like me. Ain't no joking, cause even the snowman's smoking. Snow party, snow party, snow party. Hey, snow party. You see, if you ain't got no bio, when you say, hey, show up the hand. No bio, hey, we're gonna party in the snow, party in the snow. Hey, party in the snow, party in the snow. Hey, party in the snow, party in the snow. Hey, party in the snow, party in the snow. Hey, I think that I'm still alive, that's something good. So right now, That's REKZ, but I did say Mr. Make the girls them shake up their bum, 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 bum. Would you like to meet Mr. Make the girls them shake up their bum, 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 bum? Yeah! Alright, we'll make the girls them shake up their bum, 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 bum. Right now we're gonna go into track number 8. Yeah! Mr. Sexplicit, see right now I ain't tired. But girls don't watch it because I'm full of stamina, you know. This AK is fully loaded. So track 8, we're about to get Sexplicit in the business. So you link a girl and you go in the baby room. You know they on the bumbo clock talking thing. Fuck the talking thing. You know what you tell her? They're like, shh, I don't want to hear no talking. Straight body language, I'm speak with my grown team. Suicidal dick, you got permission to drown him. 3rd degree hook up, you best try out him. Climb up on my body like you're climbing a mountain. Leave you with a black horse and you came as a browning. Fuck 100 stab, you're gonna get about 1,000. Remember the thing I tell you? Hey, girl, bend over. Arch your back and sit up on my roller. Hey, make it run, me say, hey, girl, bend over. Arch your back and sit up on my boner. No try to run like I'm a over. You're somebody, I'ma fuck you like a monster. When you walk, you like up on my shoulder. I'm a Coca-Cola black like a Diola. Fuck you like a Motorola, living a vida loca. I'm a young soldier, I'ma fuck you like a motor. Big for me, yes, brother. Yo, I want a lady in the street, mother. I want a lady in the street, mother. I want a lady in the street, mother. And you know what? When you have her from the bed, straight. Put up on the floor, be slamming you like that, you know. Straight back shot, head on up on the road. Body in a belly, push it in a belly more. And a belly more. I'm a chop of feet like this is a pedicure. Because your pum make it wet. Sure. I like to watch it like to tell you something naughty. Want to look for ideas, squeeze up your top and down it. I'm a girl, call me cocky. Bend over and be up, and then we thump you like a rocky. Jab, jab, bang. Thumping is my hobby. Thumping is so young because my body's in your tummy. When you laugh at this time, so I tell you something funny. Then push him in the street for your mommy. So the neighbors next door don't know my name, my first name and my last name. I guess so, the neighbors know my name because I like to push it in you. Cocky make you jump up like you sat down on a needle. Clash that hey yo, when I say AK, I say REKZ. When I say BBM, you say TV, BBM. Alright. Give yourself a round of applause. Give yourself a round of applause. Yeah, man. Give yourself. So boom. I go by the name of REKZ. Man's doing this thing, trying to get my music out there and thing, and the thing's fucking hard, you know, mate. So boom, man's got a clipboard, so I'm collecting some email and thing. Me have a CD and thing, you can have one for a small donation. It don't have to be money if you're cute, honey. Okay, so right now I even got some flyers, so make sure you come and pop that. One love, let's say nothing, big up all of the artists then. Boom! Boom! Bang, bang! Yes. Give it a try.
So, what's going on? Please go quiet. Make some noise, man. AK! What was that? You got a shy, man. Only a friend run away on me, you push me and things.
Yo, take off your clothes, go in on the bed. You don't want to fuck. Come on, give me a head, you get fucking in your face, come and sit in the bed. Hey, TikTok, like my wristwatch. Something I poke you, I'm a dick that. Stop your penny back, let me flip flop. Hit that, slap. Cocky in a belly like porn on the telly. You pump clean, girl, you pump that's belly. Jiggle, your body like jelly. Come on, me feel up, you pump my belly. Body in a belly when you're ready. Hot girl, you put it not ugly like Betty. Me bully your pussy like the dog in a Tom and Jerry. Go on top, come on heavy. Me a feel up your pum, girl, the bum. Yo, me tell you say, I got run over, you know. Right now, I don't know if that's affecting my sex life, but yo, look me later, yeah? Boom, bang, bang.
You know what? You know what I run off him? A bike. A bicycle. Can you imagine? You get hit by a bicycle, you go into heaven, they say, why kill you? A bicycle. They send you straight back to earth. Alright. The next artist here is gonna be Marvelous. So, where are you? Oh, you're right here. Alright, make some noise for Marvelous. Some real nice for Marvelous SOUTHSTAR.
1, 2, 1, 2. What's going on, London? Make some noise this evening. I see some good acts up in here tonight. I'm gonna kick it with some hip hop. Drop that. Yeah. This first track is called Waiting on My Moment. How many people in here still waiting in their moment? I know for a fact that I am. Yeah.
Like everything's alright. Just waiting on it.
Let's go. Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. Since 16, I had that sick dream. Now I see the bigger picture, big screen, a little team, burning green. Now I see the different picture, chucking shit. You don't know what this here took. Why would I appear shook? Reading all my notes that were left in my end of year book. Grind hard as the time flies. You see life through my eyes. Moved a lot in my life, so there's no time for bye-byes. Adios, the boy is gone. Trust me, I'm leaning on. And if you get angry with me, if I did that's all. Been there and I've done that. Done that and I've been there. Grind hard and I still can till I disappear as a thin air. Time for one more? I've got time to hear you with one more. What's the next track? Yeah. 1, 2. You should already know my name's Marvelous SOUTHSTAR. 1, 2. Let's go. Yeah. Know the old saying, go hard or go home. Well, I've been going hard since my brain been getting slow. If I say I'm getting blown, now it means I'm getting done. So I've been going hard since we both been alone. Sticking your swagger jackets, acting like a crime. And now it's like open and finish the fight, and you aren't even cooking back. Cook the food thought, nigga on the finish spot. Me in over fine steak, weak niggas jaw box. Scraping on my dinner plate, scramble for my crumbs. And I can count P all day, paper come my thumbs. They couldn't walk a baby step in the shoes I wear. They just moved by at once and they can't afford a pet. Yeah, nigga talking chicks, yeah. Mine are very rare. Take them to the hotel, beat twice, beat them there. Back up in the nice spot, said I had a nice watch. Took the whole lights off, gave her mine better like the feds when they knocking down the door. Me, I never beg for head, I only beat and reach the shore. Me, I'm on that good shot, wishing I could fly. I spend credit, don't mean that I'm a good guy. But I'm a party and pizza. Alright, one more? One more? One more? One more, let's do it. This track's called Last Day of Summer. I'm gonna finish up on this. Play that, man. Next one. Keep having me up in there this evening. This track's called Yeah. I'm addicted. No cake, but I fly when the split's lit. So you ain't all that. Like a play, I swear that I can fly. Cause the sky high, scared that I might die. Standing on the cliff top, thinking I can leap. Take a step and away from the deep sleep. This is crazy, I am in too deep. I want peace, but pain is in my heartbeat. Reminisce on the beach of the other times. Winter's here, so I see you in the summertime. Winter's here, so I see you in the summertime. Winter's here, so I see you in the summertime. Winter's here, so I see you in the summertime. Winter's here, so I see you in the summertime. This was my last year, I'll be proud of it. Peace out, so I'm going sign out of it. Thanks to all the people in my life who doubted it. Now I'm making noise, it's only right that I shout a bit. And I've been going hard, now these niggas gonna start. And I was on the radio, shout to Charlie Shaw. Then I took my son on his very first flight. Then I went to Vegas and party all night. Now I smoke cheese to ease out the stress. The best part of this year was changing the dress. The girl that I met backstage.
Some noise to the marvelous one. Alright, gonna make a little bit more noise because that one's looking a bit dead. So like, Oli, Oli, Oli!
Hey, hey, hey!
Oli, Oli, Oli!
Hey, hey, hey!
Alright, up next we got Charmer MILLS.
Everybody needs a bit of like participation, yeah? I don't like people sitting down when I'm performing. I'll be honest. So can everybody get up? Sylvie, I know your feet might be hurting, but my heels is highest in here. I ain't seen no girl wearing high heels than me. So if you can get up, these two people here, if you don't mind, please, pretty lady, nice gentleman, everyone at the bar, order your drinks and come closer. I will give you a showcase tonight. It's all about networking and having a good time. My name's called Charmer MILLS and I'm gonna make you lot move. Alright? Shout out to REKZ, yeah? Shout out to Junior Booker, Fizz, Habiba, Rokanab, Slayer, T Montana, myself, Charmer MILLS. There's bare people that I know in here. If I missed you lot, sorry. But Fizz, big up Fizz. Did I say Fizz? Yeah. Okay.
1, 2, roll it.
DJ, when you ready, yeah? Turn out for me, please, I'm loud. I'm a producer and I'm a recording artist, yeah? This tune was produced by me and written by me. It's called Lose It. My next track's called Excuse Me for What I Do. DJ, when you're ready, yeah? I'm not even 22, I'm 23 now, but I say I'm 22 in this tune. I made it like 2 months ago when I was 22. But there we go. When you're ready, DJ.
Everybody get
Turn it up for me, please. Charmer, turn it up a bit. A little bit more. Sorry, a little bit up. Not too low. To the gate! Charmer!
Stepped inside, everybody's on that funky vibe. Hands waving from left to the right. I see you twice in different types. Two, step out whatever they like. The rhythms in pair, but I'm more than a ride. The ladies are whining, not always side. I'm seeing vodka and red shine. Someone pass me the rose wine. I can wind out, I'm gonna lose my spine. Ain't got time, take time. I'm getting down with a rock your guy. There's a beat going in the heart tonight. Baby, what you want? Let me give you some smell of eyes. Your eyes are more than nice. I'm not leaving till I see the sunlight. Excuse me for what I do. I wanna get away, get in the mood. I'm young, baby, I'm only 22. I will move to you if I'm feeling, or if my mind tells me to. Or if my mind tells me to. Or if my mind tells me to. Or if my mind tells me, excuse me for what I do. I wanna get away, get in the mood. I'm young, baby, I'm only 22. I will move to you if I'm feeling, or if my mind tells me, say, Oli, Oli, Oli. Oi, oi, oi. Nana, Oli, Oli, Oli. Oi, oi, oi. Nana, Oli, Oli, Oli. Oi, oi, oi. Hey, RMS. RMS. What I do, I wanna get away, get in the mood. I'm young, baby, I'm only 22. I will move to you if I'm feeling, or if my mind tells me to.
Okay, my name's called Charmer Mills, yeah? Wow. You can find me at MER Mills, MILLS. That Club Flavor on the 13th Friday. Next week Friday, Inspire. And then after that I'm doing Roll Deep, if you know who Roll Deep is. On the 27th at Silk in Camden. Alright? Make some noise for yourself, people! Thank you.
Ooh, make some noise for Charmer.
I hit the door. Ain't nobody's bitch, but I'm yours. I 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 ain't nobody's bitch. Woo! Next shot, Easy Day. I won't you help me out tonight? Fill me up, 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 fill me up. Thank God you're finally here. I've been burning up while I've been waiting. Just to be myself. I'm a slave to all my cravings. Feel a rock, I said feel a rock. Put some of that dirty liquor in my cup. Cut out the cookies and put the chips on it. Grease up that tray and slide it in the oven. The air is pumping below, the dough is rising, rose gold. I know my words are clever. I pluck them like goose feathers together. Put the heat on me. Barbecue or red sauce, what's it gonna be? I've been working on this body. You know I keep it tight.
Keep it tight, girl.
I can't be eating naughty. So won't you help me out tonight? Fill me up, 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 fill me up. Whoa. Just fill me up till the top. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you. Say hi, I've got cards if you want one. I'm nice. Have a good time tonight and hope you get home soon.
Shooting still. And then I'm gonna want to look acapella. They got power this man in it still. Alright? Yeah, right.
Yo, this G man, this is one more. So my next team back to the norm. This is my cousin Swiftly. Get me. Alright. Never got a soft spot. My mom. See? Listen. Yo, FDMC. You got a cool boy. I was a kid, long child, I know what made you cry. More than chance in your life, but you still survive. As a crew, motoring over, I pull the stripes. Now I'm sure, but it is laugh as I start to rise. Start to rise. Come to this trouble later. It wasn't cool, now I'm on trouble, still I'm fine. Always the trouble you from a body. Remember sitting in my class at school. Teacher so stressed, couldn't handle me at all. Too much smoking cold, then I refused to go. Then I skipped the road, strapped the pole, stacked the pole. I moved to Caribbean Beach, started setting up the beats. He used to laugh at all my chicks, but he liked Joe D. Always flexing me, car always had machines. Next to you through a block top and jump for 20 kids. My Morris and Clay. Sorry for the pain that I caused ya. When I hit the road, straight back to shutting through the crow. So much wrong with my life, you could never know. You're my mom, no stress, please let it go. I sit back with my eyes closed and think about ya. I could never repay ya. You're the best thing in my life, I could never hate ya. Always there on my side, no matter what the pressure. Always had my back, there for me, there was a bad one. The time with me, I'm sorry, that was long, mum. Your precious son out there shooting guns. You broke your back, working for us every day. 7th floor, 3 bed flat is where we stay. 68, still moving nice shop. I love your mom, I love your mom. Yo, DJ, yo, stop that truck. Yo, guitarist, you know what? That's a bit soft and things. I'm gonna bring it back for you still. Guitarist coming, this is our Royal. I don't even know this guy. I just heard him playing the guitar outside. I'm gonna make him play it. I'm gonna spit for you now and then straight raw to you. Yeah, come.
I don't even know what he did in the soft tick there. I gotta tidy it up. Yo, run anything you run, I'm gonna get on straight here. No, run it. Get in. Yeah, speed it up. Yeah, FDMT, yeah? Woo! Gotta listen, yeah? I'm a galley, still watch this. Listen, yo. I spit bars, I don't dance, I'm a grinder. I got river master gal when I'm behind her. Yeah, she's caught bent over when I whine her. Something's getting kinda wet, vagina. I'm so on point, I'm like a striker. Call me VPS, top striker. I'm looking down on the body, do I like her? And then I bite her, she's getting wilder. I'm getting wilder, things get hyper. Gal start screaming down the room, shh, quiet now. Right hand holds her, left hand slaps her. Can't like the green, I'm getting greasy when I mash her. Hair talking, big cock plugging. Gal get to know about the hardcore, I love it. Look how you deal with the amateur and fucking, and that's why the gal that always keep coming. And that's why the gal that always keep coming.
That's the real song he's doing. FDMT, we got my SO11s, you get me? All the people that come to support the team, love it. Sorry about the first track, it's a bit of a mashup, but the second one.
Yeah. Say that now you say FDMT, yeah? So all of those that know the abbreviation.
First of all, I want to say my name. I go by the only D21. Representing Black Bob Entertainment. We got Firehouse FM in the building. We got TFS in the building. We got REKZ in the building. Cheer. And I'm a new artist, so I want y'all to vibe with me. Show me some love, show me some support. I want to get y'all hand claps. I want y'all to bop. I want y'all to vibe out. Should I start y'all off with a little acapella so y'all know I can spit? Should I start y'all off with a little acapella so y'all know I can spit? Yeah. Check it. Alright, y'all bring it down for me one time. Bring it down for me one time. Check it. I'm the new rapper up on the seat, bopping and lean on the move while I'm clocking my green, shotting them things on the paper chase, up on the scheme, access my dreams, making money, I determine the means, doing my thing. I old cat deep on the grind, life on the line, told me hustle small, shit'll be fine, word to my moms, I got the game out, switching the sides, missable crimes, got me stacking money straight to the sky, while I get hot, east side, run that DJ one time. This one here's called Breathe. Just breathe. All the weed smokers breathe. All the weed smokers breathe. All the weed smokers breathe. I just stepped through the scene, feeling kinda raspy. Shorty got a question, ask me what she asked me. She know I got that. I flow like a hydro, be like who you roll with. My Southside guys know, catch me on the north, see me in the east. My homies on the west side, know that I'm a beast. See me on the roadside, kicking with the cheese. I got a couple thousand CDs on it. I make it hard for you to breathe. When I'm in the air, people be like, I can see it clear. I make it hard for you to breathe. Shorty once again, you know I get you. When I'm up in it, I make it hard for you to breathe. When I'm in the air, people be like, I can see it clear. I make it hard for you to breathe. Shorty once again, you know I get you. I get them all blaze, but shorty don't smoke though. Tell me when I rhyme, get I higher than the coke though. Little cloud nines, you can get it past. She loves the way my music makes her move her ass. I tell her come and get some, always got that new shit. I can get you every time you use it. Insert the CD, turn up the bass, and listen to the pit smoke. I make it hard for you to breathe. When I'm in the air, people be like, I can see it clear, I make it hard for you to breathe. Shorty once again, you know I get you. When I'm up in, I make it hard for you to breathe. When I'm in the air, people be like, I can see it clear, I make it hard for you to breathe. Shorty once again, you know I get you. I got bloodshot eyes, my fitted cap low. People can't see me when I enter through them. When I enter through them, I See, they wanna hate, they tell me there's a pan, ain't no smoking in this place. Bouncers stop me at the gate, girls tell them to beware, yo. Ladies want a pro, they tired of them zeros. See them on a high, call me the Shativa, wanna get a buzz. I make it hard for you to breathe. When I'm in the air, people be like, I can see it clear, I make it hard for you to breathe. You know I get you real high, when I'm up in the air, I make it hard for you to breathe. When I'm in the air, people be like, I can see it clear, I make it hard for you to breathe. Shorty wants to gear, you know I get you real high, when I'm up in the air. Make it hard for you to breathe. Y'all like that one?
Yeah.
Was that okay?
Yeah.
Was that passable?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can
and y'all
still
see,
breathe though.
I'm straight from the east side, ain't no fake accents right here, see what I'm saying? I was born in the UK, I grew up in New York City, and I'm back in the UK. And guess what, man, I yard it to, so man, I yard it to. Run that DJ, track 2. Yeah. This one's called Sick in My Fucking Head. I'm off mine, you know them ones. Yo, think I'm gonna dope tick, make room, let me poke it. I'm insulted that your haters push my enemies, they hopeless, make I notice. When I catch them at they shows and make them shoulders, turn the weight behind the ears, I got the proof and I'll expose them. No one can fuck around with 2-1. I am the truth, only spitting real bars. When I step inside of some of y'all bitches think y'all cute, some of y'all people think y'all do. Some of them are bad luck, some of them are bad luck, some of them people don't make moves me. I'd rather roll through the streets, I can't control the youth. I'd rather roll through a week, I can't control my suit. I keep my movement in tune, I can't control my shoe. I'd rather hustle for life than sell my soul to you. I ain't on that flexi rich shit. Grew up with the oldest, I won't bet to use the biscuit. Mix up with the streets, bust to fix up with certificate. Creative with the ball, my destiny. Got the gift for this. But I'm sick up in my head, said I'm crazy, and I'm sick. Yeah. Said I'm sick up in my head, said I'm crazy, and I'm sick up in my head. Next one, DJ. Just a bit of that one, just a little bit. Let's run to the next one, DJ. Yeah, it's for the hustlers. Anything you want, if you work hard, you can get that shit. And that's the chorus. Check it. I want that. Anything I want, I can get it. I'll be right back in a minute. Hustle hard, hustle hard. See, I get it in where the block's at. Anything I want, I can get it. I'll be right back in a minute. Hustle hard, hustle hard. See, I get it in. Much older than Lil One, swag on psychopath, good with the road thing. Plus my mind's good and bad. Never seen alone, I know the power in a number. Even now, man, I know the power in a gun, but always make moves. Move at the right time, boss ain't for sight. And for real, when I ride mine, I ain't hating, no, and I appreciate the success. We are not the same, I hear most of y'all suck. Yeah, me, I'm only success. Deep when I'm upset, all the type of G, and y'all ain't seen enough yet. Never call my bluff yet. See me acting tough when y'all some poor store straight boy. I too much set. Me, I'm never backed up, never will I back down. Never hear no devil shit when you switch my tracks round. Trying to be a good dude, I could switch my act round. Born with this real shit. Smack clap. Anything I want, I can get it. I'll be right back in a minute. Hustle hard, hustle hard. See, I get it in where the block's at. Anything I want, I can get it. I'll be right back in a minute. Hustle hard, hustle hard. Next one, DJ. Fuck being broke now. Next one. One more.
Ask them.
Y'all want one more?
Yes!
This one.
Fire ash there so the you get it turned up. So violate but we're not in the band up. Fire dash everything but up. Jam down till you run the thing and they band up. Fire ash there so the you get it turned up. So violate but we're not in
place where I live, from a concrete jungle to a country district. Me, I feed my kids from my life and music. This the next generation is the view from a bridge. My ambition big like the bridge over London. Just to make the money last me, I shop up all land. And in the nickel with me, me just a try for investigate a first class ticket fly the islands. The jump up to Europe, then England. Yo, dash for that man.
Dash it wet now.
Dash for that man. That means we come to entertain the people. There was an artist showcase. Means not an artist, means a DJ. GenesisRadio.co.uk. That we're representing now. For your Ashby say MNG, music's next generation. We put the artists and pat them back, but we can't do it same way. Give me the man something with him there. That means birthday party weekend this weekend. We come out to yourself a party. You turn on the rhythm there. So right now when me say party, we say just for the fun of it. Party we a party, just for the fun of it. Gotta act naughty, just for the fun of it. Spend some money, just for the fun of it. Shake out the boss at the night because we hear me. Pair of eye tops, fresh out the box. Go check Barber Price to get her next shape up. Shike us in parties and tits. I can we are smoke some kids and rum busting on my cup. Just want to guarantee the gala line up. Careful good again. Facebook party and a shot. And they say what I do in the back of the rock. Y'all find the bus blow the party rock till the book. Party, just in the fun of it. Gala act naughty. Just in the fun of it. Spend some money. Just in the fun of it. Send up the bar Friday night because we hear me. Party we are party. Just in the fun of it. Gala act naughty. Just in the fun of it, spend some money. Just in the fun of it. You ain't got to know about represent my heads. Hey, all over road them a talk at the top. They come at the place when they talk them about. Girl in at the club with the skirts them shot. Fire dash step with the swing after that. Hey, foot a sap him a do the go belly. See the girl him a turn up and a look. Cut his man in the fire, Asha Shelly. I swear them a get the bull foot. Party with your party. Just in your dash for that man. The entertainer, so when I come around here for jumps and qualms, I'm gonna jerk for jerk, you know. The artists, they say they come for work. So good evening to all of those who welcome to the RMS this evening. Are you having a good time? Right. So to all of those that say they come to see some artist performances and don't know the thing, turn up. Fire Ashman here, rapper in the building, French Touch. Who is the next artist to the stage? I believe he goes by the name of Fresh.
Yo, we come for party, you know. You understand me? Where my beautiful ladies at? Where's my beautiful ladies at in the building? Don't tell me say no beautiful ladies going to the place. Okay, this track is called Beneath Your Beautiful. You know it, Labyrinth thing. If you know the chorus, girl, I want you to hear me sing along with it. Give me a track too now. Run it now. Yo, RMS, big up yourself, you know. Rock up, no, it's a track. Track 11, sorry. Track 11. Don't delay. Rapper, big up yourself. Yo. Fresh. This is a remix, you know. Give me the song. Okay. Fresh. Big. Girl, you know for when me want to hold ya. Give you that love like a soldier. Let's take a trip to Jamaica. We can hold on like lovers on a white sand. You know I'm never gonna do you wrong. Even though I know you do the boys wrong. Loving on me heart, it is so strong. You can be my burning girl, I will be your fly. Let's ride. We take a trip on the south side. Beautiful girl with that cute smile. Beautiful girl, stay by my side. I just wanna know. I just wanna know, do you feel me, baby? I just wanna know, how do I feel? Me, see me that you're beautiful, let me, see me that you're, take it off now, girl, take it off now, girl. I wanna see inside with me, see me that you're beautiful tonight. That should have covered up. I want we warm up now, so we warm up the voice. Ladies, you like that? That wasn't convincing. Give me track 2, because you don't know, you know. This one is Afrobeat thing. I go by the name of Fresh P. Yeah. Mr. Fresh P. Yeah. She walk into my room. We keep body zoom, zoom, zoom. My girl had the biggest booty, right? When she some of that. She want that, my girl, give me that. Some of that, bad girl, give me some of that. I want to get that. She mesmerize my body every time she touch me. It's like a fire, every touch is like it's burning me. From the bed to floor, she says she wants some more. She's like a flare when she end up hurting me. She and the girl will be like, don't be sharp, here is straight light. Candlelight, so the girl right through the night. God, I'm amazing, first class flight. Slow breathing, make a bite. She's a fresh bee at the right time. You make she float her like a big kite. Dash it up. Cause when I come up a play now, give me track 4. 4. Yeah, this one is called Living Your Life. You know when I meet a girl and you want her to be a wife? You understand me? So I say something like this. Yeah, fresh. Beat! Okay, it goes like this now. She's living her life. She's one of a kind. Girl, you're my special type. Oh my, I wanna make you my wife. Girl, you don't want him. She's living her life. She's one of a kind. Girl, you're my special type. Oh my, I wanna make you my wife. Every time we're in my life. Only you one can blow my mind. If loving you was a crime, me do anytime. Where you walk with and a wine. Love you when you do it one time. Girl, you know you have your body up on the tell. Love you when you give me my body under your spell. Me love how you're charming this snake. Well, whatever. She's living her life. She's one of a kind. Girl, you my special type. Oh my, I wanna dash you up. I perform, dash you up. Give me track 7 and I'm done. Okay, you don't know where places to go. Yeah man, RMS showcase, you know. Enough love, you don't know. This one is called Fresh. Something fresh like, hey, hey. Something fresh like, hey, hey. Something fresh like, hey, hey. Something fresh like, fresh band road with the queen. Something fresh like, crystal beans, high beams. Something fresh like, box fish glass, well clean. Something fresh like, hey, hey. Me fresh like spring water. Fresh like me approach a 21-year-old daughter. Me fresh from Jamaica. Rush me style of a class. Fresh band road stock higher. Fresh style, fresh swagger, fresh chick goes harder. Fresh like caveman. We don't need a poke on a fire pan bacon. Just when I told me. So me fresh like, hey, hey. So me fresh like, hey, hey. So me fresh like, hey, hey. So me fresh like, fresh bar, road with the crease. So me fresh like, crystal lens, ID. So me fresh like, box fresh glass, well clean. So me fresh like, wake up, eat that shower well fresh. Puff that ziggy, no weed well fresh. Yeah, roll up and I'm in bed well fresh. Cologne well sweet, well fresh. Dark coat sheets best made from flesh. But I put jeans, well yes. Brass lace up and a leather it a crepe. Make it to me step, them I watch every step. If y'all watch me. Money in my pocket like me just win the lot. You girl want snatch me. That Perry and that any some fresh like, hey, hey. Some fresh like, done. Hey.
Where's the fresh pay in the building? Fresh pay, tell the people that which part they can't find you.
Yeah, start the music. Hey, me don't know anyone on it. Have you seen the movie called Payback? Payback 1 and 2. That's my movie, a star in that. Check it out on YouTube. You understand me? Check me out on Twitter, Fresh Beat Music. Facebook, Fresh Beat Music. You understand? Google the thing. I'll check out my official website, freshbeatmusic.com. You get everything on it. Movies galore. Singles, free giveaway and all these things. I'm gonna say, check out my movie, Payback, part 1 and part 2 on YouTube right now. Watch it.
Mad. Oh, see, here from the boss, Fresh himself, Fresh P say anytime the swagger there for roll fresh, you know. So right now it's all about the artist entertainment team rolling on fast but not swiftly. You know it's all about the next artist in the building. So people, if you're here to make some noise, make some noise, and the next artist goes by the name of BAGGA Vibes! Bumbleclaw! Yes, sir. Ready? No talk. I ain't here
dirty talking to these honeys like a slow jam. I'm a hard cook. Fuck on it. Now if you want something, then get the fuck up off it. Baby back up. I want it my way with the freaky girls out here, man. So what the man doing, man? So what that tell you? Tells you what luck, nah? I don't flip songs, I make best rock, nah? I made the pussy scream, ball up. You ain't even till your pussy gets hard up. Baby girl, if you really wanna know me, got the phone there, so come on phone me. You heard the story, so you wanna know now. Come on, girl, let me show you what we go there. Baby girl, if you really wanna know me, got the phone there, so come on phone me. You heard the story, so you wanna know now. Come on, girl, let me show you what we go there. I ain't come tell them no lie. When I bust something that go back, then that's what I'm knows that. Play with them that close that. Magic and I have that whole high. Addicted, that's when I go back. Every time I link right now, watching nothing, keep up my last back. I'm gonna freaky notice. Video taking like shoulders. Dirty like how the body is bleeding. What am I going? This shit dirty, I don't wanna know if I go fuck right there and I blow it. Them pickies if they wanna know my ex, girl, know where I'm at. Home women, stop them up the interval. Be like a blue film, not a low interval. Now this is pure talk, so baby know that. Now put your mouth around this side, all side. They say I'm bad like I didn't fucking know that. Now put the cooking girl, this fucking blow that. Now come on, wait for it, and yeah, I'm coming out. Hold on, you're trying to take it down. All that. Baby girl, if you really want to know me, you got the phone there. So come on, phone. Track 2, 1, to yourself, man. So you wanna know now. Come on, bro. Hey, got DJ with all that. Track 2, brother.
Mad, one.
Yeah, yo, this for the drug dealer brothers out there that's shutting hard through, yeah? Stay that money, do what you gotta do, and I ain't saying nothing. See, if a fuck he gets paid, yeah, he makes money and then he'll leave away. Yeah, he don't give a fuck he gets paid, yeah, he makes money and then he'll leave away. See, I know my brother named James, started off small, but he ended up big. Got big few times, but never did he snitch, middle finger to the look. Fuck them pigs! Remember when he first got the lineage, town went back. Everybody was high, now they're working on a strip. But I'm losing them my 5-0, touching by a fucking line. See, he don't give a fuck, he gets paid. Yeah, he makes money and then he'll leave away. Yeah, he don't give a fuck, he gets paid. Yeah, he makes money and then he'll leave away. Yeah, see, don't give a fuck, he gets paid. Yeah, he makes money and then he'll leave away. Yeah, with the cash, he gets paid. Yo. Next day, next one back on that shit. Can make your money back, he even pays them less. That's what you get in a life of stress. Yeah. Next rhythm. Track 3, medicine rhythm. DJ, wake up and all, take a line of coke. Yo, am I saying anything wrong? Tell me, this comedy show is up. Cheese! Joking. You know this rhythm when it just came out. You know why? When YouTube blocked it off. You know something, yo, for the girl, man. Yo. Girl, you look good, girl, you look fine. Just hold on. Stand me up and look twice. Girl, you tell me you're on the vibe. No girl, can I get your style? You look good, girl, you look nice. Just hold on. Stand me up, you look twice. Looking at your eye, tell me you're on the vibe. No girl, can I get your style? Look good, no bullet, you see him to the book, you know, say, man, I'm ranking. Leave me a little girl, man, I'm ranking. And you whip like water, make me drunken. Your pussy hot like a won't catch fire. Jump up, but you go now, you like the green to tight, grip like a fly. Oh, I'm your boss. Bring on the man, girl with them. Bring on the girl with them, spray them and bring them. And the girl, they be up. Bring on the man, girl with them, no happy feet.
Up next, we got a comedian, Junior Booker. Make some noise.
One and five, I'm gonna see 6. How we doing? Oh, I'm in showcase. Make some noise. Okay, cool. Pick up your man, a fucking dog. Okay, man, don't make some noise. the console, man. One of the ones from the connect and cheap ones. Careful. Them ones break easy. Careful, them ones. Big man too. Thank you for the sound effects, DJ. Sound effect man. Big up. Okay, thank you. Big up all the musicians I've seen here tonight. See a lot of rappers, singers. Big yourselves. Big up yourselves, rappers especially. Woo! Because I too, I'm a comedian now, but I used to be a rapper. Yeah, but I stopped because I was shit. That's why I stopped. And the thing about it, yeah, no one told me I was shit. All the men were like, yeah, go on, Junior, do another track, you're good, you're good. It wasn't until my mum came on stage. So my mum came to one of my shows. She's like, Junior, you're fucking terrible, fam. Yeah? Fuck's funny. I thought you had bars. That's terrible. You don't get my son no more. Fucking hell. It's old. You know, because when you're a rapper and you're on stage, yeah, and you're not doing too good, you can't really tell. Because you're a rapper, you don't really know, you're gassed up, this is a big, you're doing your thing, you're like, yeah, I'm good, I'm good, yeah. I'm good, yeah. Okay. Matic. You know you're a stage rapper and you're doing good, and you tell the DJ, pull it up, DJ, pull it up. And he pulls up because you're good. Yeah? I remember when I tried that shit, yeah? I was like, yeah. I was like, DJ, pull it up. He was like, nah, fam, keep it moving, yeah? I've got shit to do. Are you filming this, yeah? It's on film, yeah? Yeah, make sure from the waist up, yeah? I'm meant to be in a wheelchair right now, so benefit 14. Don't pop me up. Aye, matey. Fucking hell. Stop pressing buttons now. You got your time. Who's pressing the buttons? Is it you?
The mic over there, sir. The mic.
Is there another mic?
Yeah.
Okay, stop that, please. Fucking hell. But yeah, I'm a comedian.
Don't worry.
What's your name, big man?
Riverton.
Riverton.
River Thames. Yeah.
Like reggaeton.
Not River Thames, not River Thames, not River Nile, River Thames.
Okay, nice speech. Thank you. Are you performing tonight?
No.
Okay. Is this here supporting?
Supporting.
Who's supporting?
Supporting you.
A big man, hey. You driving? Hey, lift home as well. My support then, fam. I'll jump on your back. Fuck it. It's crazy though, man. Is that true? Yes. Okay, you seem a bit ashamed of that. Stay pause. But we've got a lot of bashment artists as well here tonight. A lot of bashment artists, that's good. I went to like a bashment rave last night, it was crazy.
Real thing. Check it out, real thing. Straight.
Okay, cool.
Straight.
But
yo, unclip that, man.
no, don't let him rob you. But it's crazy, man. It's crazy. I'm 27. And I was like 27, my age, 27. Yeah, because everyone's got these smartphones now. But beyond that, like, the best phone ever was like the 3310.
Hold on.
That was the, is it got it now? Fucking hell. Shit, fucking hell. 7210. 2005. Man's got his kids in there as well.
No, 1995.
Nah, it's 2005.
No, 1995. That's my granddaughter, look.
You got grandkids? How old are you, big man?
I'm just 38, man.
You're 38?
Real thing.
Okay, cool. Back up a bit. That's good. Let's back up. I saw you spat on me aside.
Real thing, real big man thing.
But no, that's a good phone. That phone's got like snakes too. It's got a camera. You can text. You can like, that's it. But
coming from Master System, Mega Drive, Sega Saturn, PlayStation.
Okay, alright, cool, reggaeton. But I love doing comedy. The best thing I comedy, I travel quite a lot. I do a lot of shows all over London, and I go to like posh areas, I go to rough areas, and I think you can tell how posh or how rough an area it is by how many chicken and chip shops there are in that particular area. Yeah? Because I done a show the other day, yeah, in Covent Garden. There was no chicken and chip shops, and I was hungry, yeah? Had to get a baguette, I don't want that. Yeah, £5 ham and cheese, it was dry, it was nothing, I don't want that shit. I done a show in Peckham the other day, Peckham, round the corner. There was 85 chicken and chip shops on one road, yeah? There was Chicken Hut, Chicken Palace, Chicken Village, Chicken House, Chicken Maisonette, Chicken Sound, Chicken Road, Chicken Arras, Chicken Dungeon. It was crazy. Chicken Cottage, Chicken Terrace, Chicken House, Chicken Bungalow. But watch out, Chicken Fried Rice. It was crazy, yeah? But watch out, reggaeton, all you man them, watch out, yeah? Watch out when you go to these places. Some of them are a bit too cheap. A bit too cheap. What, 8-9p? Yeah? For 6 hot wings and chips? Nah, man. It's hungry. Too much chicken and chips. It's hungry. Yeah, well, watch out. What's your name? DJ? DJ Conta. Watch out, yeah? The no shit, you got your foot back. No. I'm joking. Alright. Ah, shit. Alright. Now watch out though. Watch out, reggaeton, everyone here, Asian guy at the camera, they get you too. Watch out, yeah? Like some of these chicken chips are a bit too cheap. They're like 89p, like 6 hot wings and chips. That's too cheap. Yeah, Mama didn't raise no fool. Mama did not raise no fool. I ain't stupid. Mama is a drug dealer, yeah? I got that. What do you need? You okay? Yeah. You're blessed. It's crazy, man, it's crazy. Before I go down, who's on Twitter here? You on Twitter? Shit, that's a proper check. That's proper bling right there. Shit. The shirt's in the bling as well. The shirt's bling. Fucking hell. The shirt is bling. That's the new thing. Hey. What's your name? Drama King.
Drama King.
Hey, that's proper bling reggaeton. Yeah. That's crazy, man. No, because I like to go out waving as well. I like to go out waving. And the waving scene has changed now in 2013. Like, because man them, they dance with each other now. Man them dance with each other. Not like that. No one's getting that good. Or not like that. Yeah. I don't know about you. You look a bit. But no, hey. You got a hair. On the back, you can't tell it. You got a hair. You've got to be back before. Not that desperate, but I'm saying if I was drunk, obviously. Yeah. But it's crazy, like man there, we dance with each other, like to like. What?
What's his name? Flow Rider, blow your whistle.
Yeah?
Got a whistle around your neck, blow that.
Yes, sir. Tell me one, yeah? Fucking up. Guys, okay. Hey. But yeah, if you're on Twitter, follow me to @JuniorBook all one word. You guys have been amazing. Big up my boy DJ Sharks. Big up everyone that came out support tonight. You guys have been great. I've been Junior Book. Thank you for having me.
Make some noise for Junior Booker. Oli, oli, oli.
Aye, aye, aye.
Oli, oli, oli.
Aye, aye, aye.
Woo. All right. And up next, we got one of my boys representing America, UKGA. The one and only Continental Crooks. Make some noise.
Yo, good night. Club Wicked. Shout out to DJ Sharks, RMS Showcase. Should have known. Now I'm taking a little trip with me. First and foremost, you can check this video out. I don't want to let you go on youtube.com/continentalcrooks. You'll lead me.
Yeah, baby, made it better. Have you seen what it's like with a man who got shadow forever? I'm gonna stay true to what I do, and that means I'm true to me and surely true to you. I don't lie, make them cry now, never disrespect you in your mind. I know you probably wonder what's next. Ooh, the things I do is clear you don't understand, but I'm trying to elevate from a boy to a man. I used to have a
100,000, not £1,000,000 plan. You know this involves me flipping the grams, but see I'm coming from the bottom, going to the top, and I'ma keep making hits and they're never gonna stop. To double up, you know I'm gon' pop, so if ever you slip, shorty, just know I got you. And I don't wanna let you go, but if you wanna go, I'll let you go. And shorty, I just wanna let you know I meant every word that I said. Yes, I meant every word. No, I don't wanna let you go, but if you wanna go, I'll let you go. And shorty, I just wanna let you know I meant every word that I said. Yes, I meant every word. Cause I've been so many places, seen so many faces, seen all kind of races, but girls, they all the same. You got it, she stay in your ass, but when it's gone, you the man in the past. Now think fast, you try and let the dough blow to something pro, you ain't gon' see no more. When it's gone, when I was younger, I was told pay attention to what who like you for who you are. Not because you got no jewels or cars, or the fact that you be buying the bar. I see some homies trick, getting married just to get divorced. In a few years later, shower half of your grip. That's the plot, that's the trick, but with you, it ain't it. So I don't wanna let you go, but if you wanna go, I let you go. But shorty, I wanna let you know I meant every word that I said.
/Continental-Crooks. Hit me with number 2. Continental-Crooks. Should I know?
I lost my girls, it seems like
this is the Reddit family. It's no more the Riot family, it's no more the Carter family, it's the Reddit straight. I want to see
my life like I don't need no my baby. I gave you everything you wanted, everything you needed, but somewhere along the line you perceived that to be greedy. I wanted everything that I made on the streets. You wanted all my change, but you couldn't be faithful, couldn't be just for me. Had to be a community too. In other words, I mean down for everyone, every nigga that was giving a little check. It seems so strange, shorty was a trick, she started to flip. How could my number one do that? Now why you trying to play number 2, trying to get me through? You acting like a fool, I don't need that. So I'm on to the next one, she got next, clearly. You see, that's the X of me. I don't need mine. That I would formalize and live my life like I don't need oh my baby. Well, now that I would formalize, I know what you thought that I couldn't see through it all, but now it's strange, 'cause you're no longer in this game. Oh no, no. I'm so along these roads, I don't know where it goes, but I'm running so far away. I don't wanna see your face, I don't wanna know you. How can I have all the bullshit that you put me through so far away? I don't wanna see your face, I don't wanna know you. /Continental-Crooks, and you understand me, volume 2. If you wanna get a copy, hit me up. And right now, if you're a dancer, or you know anybody who dance, come fuck with me in this right here, because I need to get the video big. I'm doing some Jamaican shit in Funky House. Let's see what it is. And alright. Should I know? To the baseline, move your body and wine. Move to the baseline, move your body and wine. Move to the baseline, break under dance and night away. I don't be shy, have a try, it's my life. Oh
to it. We going down, coming up from side to side. Just dance, lose control, everybody move their body from the young to the old and just dance. Do what he do from ya, anytime you ain't gonna lose just. From ya, nobody goes and them can't step to you when you're up in the club, just dance. Boogie, let me see us boogie. Do the two-step, but I'ma come back with it, just dance. You can be electric, feel the butterfly go, hands for your knees and even with your cool left feet. After the link, and then let me see us swing and dance the night away. Now don't be shy, have a try, just my life. Oh, when we dance the night away. The music pumps, our bodies jump from left to right. We're gonna dance the night away.
Now, as I said, if you know a dancer, hit me up. VYBZ on Twitter.
Slow down, babes, me a beg a second. She just run where her next man gone. She just run where her next man gone. G-O-N-E-E-E. Hey baby, you know say man not talk much in the lane. I like the way she move, it look amazing. She just run with her next man gone. She just run with her next man gone. See man time, yeah? Dash up. Slayer. SL1. Hey baby, you say you said you wait in time. That's why you call me for when you want to fuck and fuck you right. Say what a bad man for me, you're sexy. Straight up fucking at you and a kiss something. Tick, don't fret, get ready to climb up on it. On me for the fuck when you're on it. I'm the slam the boot on it. Why? You tryna hold me like I got no this like why? You tryna hold me like I got no this like. Slow down, gives me a bigger second. Why you tell me where you reckon? She leave on up myself if they give her a car. She just run away her next money. She just run away her next money. So the next track, Teed Up Montana, featuring Slayer, SL1.
No, not one yet. Not yet. Don't run from me, we got a flight to catch, man.
Take care of it. Yeah? Okay. Speed real, unique flows. I hope you listening. I can have you feeling free and I can give you what you need. Money doesn't grow on trees, no pleasure doesn't come for free. I do me. Creep, no movie. Still make the click go like a Uzi. I'm in love with my music. She's in love with my news. I'm in love with my music. She's in love with my news. Drop it down and don't stop it. Girl, it's exclusive. The way you flexing your body got me body ducking like Yeah.
I can leave you feeling free and I can give you what you need. Money doesn't grow on trees, so pleasure doesn't come for free. I do me. Creep, no movie. Still make the click go rah. Like a Uzi, I'm in love with my music. She's in love with my douche. I'm in love with my music. She's in love with my new whip. Drop it down and don't stop it. Girl, it's like exclusive. The way you flexing your body, call me Polly, dunking like Kobe. Call me, bump your head to my music. Bump your head to my beat. Bump your head to my music. Bump your head to my beat. Bump your head to my music. Bump your head to my beat.
Yeah.
What's crackin' like it? What's poppin' like in these streets, man? You're running down the options. So what's when you watch your mind? You watch unless you wanna get fucked up like it's boxing. What's crackin' like it? Poppin' like in these streets, man. You're running down the options. So watch when you watch your mind. You watch unless you wanna get fucked up like it's boxing. I'm meditating. Smoking up the elevators, go weak for my medication. No need for complications, don't get any complicated. Cause most of the times I'm faded. Cause most of the times I'm faded. Cause most of the times I'm faded. Bump your head to my music. Bump your head to my beat. Bump your head to my music. Bump your head to my beat. Bump your head to my music. Bump your head to my beat. It's be real.
Next verse. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Still.
Diva, wear high heels and shoes, no sneakers. I'm a charmer, you can call me a cheater. Got my body, but I ain't no beater. No one night sleeper, I won't get speech. Now you listen to me and I am a teacher. I'm so I come like I said, Joe, he I'm like, no, I'm sorry, there is no exceptions, I no protection. No bullshit, I got my own direction. Listen to my dope man, going to connections. I got more bars than the chocolate selection. If you look at this, there is no exception. I get mine own stuff from the collection. Trump's going through to win the election. I'm on my bars to deliver like no, I'm on point like no. Got bars out with it, but the whole night throw. You can sell shit, but oh well, my bars still stick to your head like gel. Only two facts, no figures or tails. When I come, you better start digging them bells. Like I start this service in church, and I'm trying to wear jeans. Don't be fooled, you still get merch for gassing, cause it will get to my system. What's my God, but I ain't no Christian. Those puzzles are no make congestion. So listen, under the mention, people can look, have pay attention. Old school work, held back and attention. I'm gonna be rich, no? I'm like, about to do when I try, but I guess I leave a bag with no hair, no, but I guess the best not test when I go for some shit, I guess I leave it on the floor like I left to the red, I guess once there's to sit down to go, but I guess it goes out. So my face, you can tell I guess I played you, but I better get my tell I guess, scuff me, but you get left off, let I guess. You can't get a car like me, I can switch body, Dardy, Darski, T-ski, H-ski, S-ski, R-ski, M-ski, E-ski, R-ski, Scepter, you be like, Morski, better than no job, barking, Toolski, cause when I come with a mic, I make you say to the kids, if you think I'm taking it for the kids. I'm on top of this, get a girl, don't like me, but you own where the girl can hate me, but still want for the girl, you get sent out like your...
No, slap it, drop it, cover it. Hunter! Tell them no. Sure. Walk to them. Sure. And one day the sun shall shine. Them try to take what's mine. But well, this a system of the anytime. Them say we not gonna make no money. Not gonna make no money. Yo, and the big people step them a make. Talk about me now gonna make that money. Yo, them a go live with me. With me who no house and me who no car. Oh, yes, me a go make that money. Me want that money so bad. Back on the road again, me and me friend them again. Hustle like and I want this sun to go shine every day, my youth. We give thanks and praise to the Almighty High. If we see you through, then on the road again, me and me friend them again. Hustle like Tabra, cut it. Next one, mad thing. Pass away on it. No.
I want to hold cement.
On to them. tell you. I'm on the go now. The world we have to tour now. Deborah, pull it back. Deborah. Pull it. Pull it, pull it.
Listen.
Give me the next one, man. Pull it. Deborah, put in the next CD, man. Put in the next CD. I'm on the go now. The world we have to tour now. Deborah, push it up, man. Sure.